weekend, kids in Springdale will get the chance to swim with the fishes. It's the annual Goldfish Swim at the community center. But as our Josh Bazan found out, the swim is creating a little bit of controversy this year.
It's a summertime tradition here in Springdale. But when the city posted about the annual Goldfish Swim on its Facebook page, many people thought the event seemed fishy. Sick and twisted, completely unacceptable animal abuse. Disgusting, absolutely shameful, Stone Age days animal abuse. These are some of the comments written on Springdale's Facebook post about this year's Goldfish Swim, where kids are invited to swim alongside 1,000 goldfish and catch their new pets with their own hands.
A life is a life, period. Okay, be it a goldfish, a dog, a cat, a human being.
Daryl Mayeranke owns Anderson Township Family Pet Center. He says even though the event is popular for kids, it can be dangerous for the fish.
You know, in actuality, you know, you want to talk about what's right or wrong with that program, it really doesn't, even though it's extremely popular, probably doesn't do the fish any good at all to do that.
Mayeranke says all fish have a layer of slime that protects against infection. That layer can come off if a fish is handled with dry hands, and it can still be damaged even with wet hands.
The bigger concern would be the handling of the fish. The young children, you know, how hard do you hold a fish? I suppose if they wanted to make it a little bit safer, they'd have all the kids running around with nets trying to catch the fish.
The new criticism of the Goldfish Swim has now reached Washington, D.C., with the Pet Industry Joint Advisor Council saying in a statement the event will unnecessarily threaten the health of over 1,000 goldfish and send a dangerous message to adults and children. The group recommends having kids catch ping pong balls or something else they can exchange for a fish.
Hopefully, you know, some of those fish will go home and survive and become members of a household.
There's also some concern about chlorine in the pool possibly hurting the fish. Mayeranke says it takes between 4 and 5 days for chlorine to dissipate in a normal pool. I reached out to the city about this and about other concerns. Right now, I'm still waiting to hear back. Reporting in Springdale, Josh Bazan, 9 on your side.